हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूँ रोशनी और आज के वीडियो के लिए आपने टाइटल पढ़ ही लिया होगा। वी आर डूइंग अ मैसिव मेकअप हॉल। सो बेसिकली आई शॉप्ड अ लॉट फ्रॉम नायका, हॉक, टीरा ब्यूटी एज वेल ड्यूरिंग देयर सेल। एंड आई नो सेल्स खत्म हो चुके हैं। इट वॉज जस्ट सिटिंग अराउंड, आई वॉज जस्ट प्लानिंग टू शूट, बट देन द लेजीनेस इन मी वॉज लाइक रहने देते हैं, कल करेंगे और वो कल आज आ चुका है। तो शुरू करते हैं ज्यादा देर ना करते हुए। इसमें से कुछ कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स मेरे लिए काफी नए हैं, कुछ ज्यादा एसेंशियल्स हैं। तो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी काइंड ऑफ अ फर्स्ट impression video as well as a haul, and I'll be starting up with Nykaa. First thing that I got is a primer that is going viral on the internet, and it is this one by Mars. This is the gripping primer. Now this is said to be the dupe of the elf one, and I have to say I absolutely love it. This is so hydrating, and हाँ, ये चिपकता है. I mean, this is so sticky. It actually feels very nice. It is so flawless. मैंने इसको इस साइड पे अप्लाई किया है and the makeup looks amazing. It is flawless. I absolutely love it. Now the next thing I got is the Modi Acne Expert Oil Free Moisturizer because I'm traveling to Goa and I want something that will not make me feel oily. Now this is a gel based moisturizer and also it is very nice, good in absorbing. I have been using it for a week. I was like मैं try कर लेती हूँ, क्या पता if it does not works out, I'll just carry my Foxtail वाला moisturizer जो नया वाला अभी आया है market में, and it is amazing for someone with oily acne prone skin. Now this one is so lightweight, it has a mild fragrance and it absorbs amazing. As I said, it is working out pretty well for me, so I'll give this one a 9 out of 10. So the first one is this by Sis Beauty Perfect Liquid Concealer. This is an OG. I don't have to say a lot about this, and yeah, it just is perfect. I swear बिना AC और fan के बैठना is so difficult now because भुवनेश्वर में गर्मी is overflowing. Anyways, the next two products that are two essentials that I added to my cart is this one. This is the Sky High Mascara. Can never go wrong with this. This is perfect. मेरे lashes को long extensions जैसा feel देता है and perfect for everyday use. And the next one is this. I guess it's the Mars Brow Better Eyebrow Pencil. Gives me a very natural finish. The next thing that I have is my cult favorite because this is my second purchase as I'm going to Goa, as I said, and it is the Recode Sun Protection Spray with SPF 50. I haven't opened it yet because मेरा पहला वाला में भी थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ है and I'm planning to take this one on my trip. Absolute water. I'll show you once. Look at the fine mist. Perfect. I absolutely love this. This gives me a nice glow from within, kind of a glow, if I say so. And what else? It is with Kakudu Plump and Vitamin E. It is perfect for all skin types. When I say perfect, it is actually perfect. My oily skin loves this thing that I purchased out of nowhere. Just internet influence are these two products. This is the L'Oreal Hyaluron Pure Purifying Shampoo because मैंने देखा this is specifically for someone who has an oily scalp and dry ends, and my hair is just so dry and oily. I cannot just explain. It just gets ridiculous by the third day if I don't shampoo my hair. You can see I have used it quite a few times and I have to say I'm really impressed with this one. I was very skeptical of getting it because मैंने इसके जितने भी reviews देखे हैं, it is from the paid campaigns, but I was like I need to try it out because I was using the other version of it, the hyaluronic one with the opaque bottle, but this one actually works and it definitely hydrates my hair. But the thing I want to say is I don't know, I feel this bottle's formula is as equal to the other one and I don't see a difference, but I feel like the other one moisturizes my hair ends a little more. But then again, it was in a combo and with great offer, so I just got it. Last hair care product that I have is this Streaks Heat Protect Spray for hair. Now this one is up to 250 degrees heat protection and I guess this is perfectly fine because also not that it is cheap, but it works very nicely. Now Streaks has this very Streaks like smell. उसके हर प्रोडक्ट में उसका एक ऐसा नॉस्टैल्जिक स्मेल है कि मुझे कॉलेज के डेज की याद आ जाती है. So yeah, this is also a very decent product and works great. Now I did get very lucky while shopping in Tira, so I am following this one page where they post reels about all kind of different offers that is going on, or if you buy this product you get this product free. And I was just scrolling down at night one day and मुझे ये offer दिखा wherein if I buy one Etudes lip tint I'll get another one free. And I have to say this one was a bomb deal because I got two of them, which are very cute. The Etude makes bomb kind of lip tint, and this one is the over glowy tint that you can use it on your cheeks, lips, wherever you want. And the first shade is 03. This is a very bright pink as per my like, but I actually love the finish, and the tint that it gives me later on is just so nice, so pretty, very hydrating, and it becomes non-sticky later on when you wipe off the gloss, and it's just perfect. And the next one that I have is pretty amazing because this is something very, very close to my lip shade, natural lip shade, if I say so. This is in the shade, I guess, 04, and this is what it looks like. I'll swatch it here. You see, this is what it looks like. Very nice mauvey brown, and just looks very pretty if I even wear it just like that without any makeup, when I have just my sunscreen, a little cheek tint. And this one looks very natural, very nice. I actually love the packaging. It looks very sleek and very luxury kind of a packaging, so I actually love this. This also looks very pretty on my vanity. Okay, the next product that I have was a deal. I got it with such a great deal, I just cannot explain you guys. And these two are my first Pixi products. I have never tried anything from Pixi, nothing, because nothing actually excites me if I say from a makeup artist point of view. Now whatever product I buy और आई परचेज, बेसिकली आई सी कि मैं अपने वैनिटी पे उसको कितना इंक्लूड कर सकती हूँ, हाउ मच कैन आई यूज आउट ऑफ इट, आर माई क्लाइंट्स गोइंग टू लव इट और नॉट. Now this time I was like, when I was buying from Pixi, I was like, let me get it for myself. So on a purchase of a lip balm for almost 800 rupees, I got a 2000 rupees eyeshadow palette free. Is it a glitch? Is it a glitch or is it me? I mean, I don't know. I just don't know. And it's amazing because I absolutely love the palette, not the lip balm. The lip balm is a very basic lip balm. This is the Pixi Lip Nourisher, and it is the Rose Core lip balm with a very basic packaging. This one, I mean, now this reminds me of the L18 lipstick जो काफी ज़्यादा popular हुआ करता था, and it's a very basic lip balm. It does moisturize, but I actually don't really like the formula. It's just there, so I just threw it in my bag because it does give a nice little red tint. And इसके बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी. Let's talk about the other one that I have. I mean the eyeshadow palette. Now this is the Pixi Hello Kitty eyeshadow palette, and I got it for 0 rupees. I mean, I love the color theme that is going on here. And when I got this, I thought इसमें कुछ shade will be shimmer and few shades will be matte, but turns out सब कुछ शिमर है. The outer packaging looks amazing, and when I talk about the eyeshadow palette, this is what it looks like. It is so cute with this pistachio green packaging, and this is what the palette looks like from inside. As you can see, the packaging is so cute. इसमें Hello Kitty का ऐसा उसका माथा वाला part is there with her bow, and I have to say the pigmentation on this eyeshadow palette is amazing. All of them are shimmer. None of them is matte, but I have to say it is so creamy and so beautiful. I've applied it on my eyes today. Just see. Oh my god. Just look at it. So pretty. I was like, this is totally worth it. वो 800 रुपए गए तो गए, नैया में डूबे. But जो 2000 का palette मिला है, this would be so amazing when I keep it in my vanity. It will look so cute. I also got one more lipstick that is trending on the internet from Nykaa. It is the Mars Drip Lip Mist. And this was my first time trying it out. Such a gorgeous shade. It is so moist. It makes your lips so juicy and so amazing. I have to say this product is a 10 on 10 from me because iska jo after effect hai when you just remove the tint. Wow. Just wow. I mean, just wow. I am out of my words with this product because I absolutely love it and I know I'm going to use it so much. Okay, towards the last part of the haul, that is makeup from Hawk. Now Hawk is something that I used to shop from during my college days and I had totally forgotten about it. But randomly scrolling through internet one day, I mean Instagram, there's this offer on Hawk makeup that you buy a few products, like if you get 4 products you get it for 1500, you get 3 products you get it for 1000 and something like that. And I was like, let's just jump into it, money is there in the bank, thoda kharcha kar lete hai. So I hop into the page and there are only selected range of makeup from where you can get the products, right? So I chose few of the products that I felt like is something new and I should try it out. The first thing I have are 2 lipsticks from Fauclair. Now, I have never tried any Fauclair products ever. This is their Clay Pillow Soft Liquid Lipstick. And I have to say, this is soft as pillow, squishy like marshmallow. Yeah, I mean, it glides on perfectly. I have 2 shades in with me. Both of them are very good looking lipsticks and it complements my skin tone perfectly. The next thing that I got is a Milani primer, this mini one, which I think is perfect travel size. And now that I'm going to Goa, this will go in my makeup pouch and I have applied this in this part of my area and I have to say it does blur out my pores, I mean fill in the pores, and it is very hydrating. This has a little bit of minty smell to it and it's very liquidy, it's white in color, it hydrates, and I guess it's a good one. It's a basic one and a good one. That's all I have to say about this primer. The next thing I have is a brow gel. Now my brows are crazy, they are all over the place. I need something to keep them set, so I got this one from Eveline, I guess, if I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, I don't know. It is their brow gel. It's a basic brow gel for everyday use. If you're not filling in your eyebrows, this would be perfect. That's it about it. Then I also got one eyebrow filling cream from Fauclair again. The one product, very cute, very aesthetic, very Gen Z. Now when I got it, I was not expecting it to be like this. मुझे लगा हाँ इसको I'll open it and the product will come out, but it is something else. There's one brush on one side and the product on the other side on this one, and this does not match my eyebrows, so this will be going to my vanity kit where I can use it on my brides जिनके ऊपर ये सही लगेगा. Next thing is this Milani Stay Proof Waterproof eyeliner pencil. I haven't opened it up yet, but it's just there. And then I also got one brush. This is from BH Studio Pro. And this is a very basic brush for blending. And I guess ब्रश देख के मैं बस खुश हो गई because a makeup artist cannot have enough brushes at the end of the day. The packaging is very nice. The brush is very nice to hold on to because this has a very nice grip to it. It's not like your regular, silk finish brushes, if I say so, जो plastic या लकड़ी का जो फिनिशिंग होता है वैसा नहीं है. Very nice grip to it. Okay, the last 2 products that I got because no reason are the two glitter bomb. So मैंने बेसिकली रेवोल्यूशन का देखा था या फिर इसका ही है, डोंट रिमेम्बर. दिस इज द लामेल ग्लिटर बॉम्ब एंड आई हैव इट इन टू शेड्स, दैट इज this lavender one and this gold one. Now it is said to be perfect for someone who loves partying or who loves glitter, and it's actually very pretty as you can see it on the screen. Both of them are just bomb. So guys, this was my haul video for all the makeup products that I got from these various website. अब मुझे बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी हो रही है, मैं चली इसी में बैठने. अगर आपको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक चाहिए, प्लीज check out the description. And if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.